Hey guys, it's Tyler Daw with Remax Connects, and on your market minute for this week, we've got Jeff Whitmell from the Mortgage Guys, and he's one of my preferred mortgage partners. He's done some great work with some great clients of mine, and I'm happy to have him on the show today. We've got a couple questions that we've pulled from our feeds to ask Jeff, and he's taken time out of his busy day to help us out. Jeff, how you doing?
Oh, I'm good, Tyler. Thanks for asking. Happy Friday.
Yes, of course. So, Jeff, obviously you know the drill. Tell us about the rates right now, and tell us about what our average fixed and variable rates are in today's date, which is what, Friday, June?
Today's the 5th.
The 5th. Okay, Friday, June 5th. Give us an update on our rates.
Yeah, so thanks for that, Tyler. So the rates are, it's a pretty interesting topic. I get this question a lot. So if you're looking at a fixed rate, it's going to actually be dependent on the client. But just to give you an idea, we've got some 5-year fixed rates right now as low as 2.29%, which is pretty low. That's an insured rate. So if you're looking if you're looking at some variable rates are a little bit less. You're in the low the 2% range for a variable rate.
Okay, so I know we've done this before, Jeff, but like, give me an idea. Like, we'll bring it back to basics on fixed and variable. I know there's a lot of people out there, you know, they get a mortgage every 5 years, so they totally forget about it. But what does that mean, fixed and variable?
Well, what a fixed rate is, Tyler, is it's going to be a rate, and it's going to be a mortgage payment that's going to stay the same over the term of the 5-year term.
Okay.
Variable, there's a chance that, you know, if the prime rate goes up or down, so if Bank of Canada changes that rate, then that rate and your payment could go up and down as well too. But some of the main differences between fixed and variable is not so much the rate. It's going to be looking at what your penalty could be if you were to break that mortgage before 5 years. And the average Canadian, believe it or not, does break their mortgage at about a 3-year term. So the fixed rate mortgage is going to trigger a higher prepayment penalty, where the variable is traditionally 3 months interest. So, you know, if anyone ever has questions about that stuff during the process, you know, I like to outweigh both those options to see which one you're more comfortable with.
Okay. So for you, Jeff, you're a mortgage broker. What does that mean to the audience out there looking right now versus a traditional bank?
Yeah, so a mortgage broker. So I work with 50 different lending institutions. So, you know, we work with TD and Scotia. We also work with Duke and Meridian, so those two credit unions, as well as some monoline lenders. So monoline lenders are lenders that only specialize in mortgage financing, so they don't offer lines of credits. But what happens is with those lenders, they do offer lower rates because they don't have a brick and mortar destination for you to go to if you have questions. So you've got me with those questions, and I'll always provide the answers for those questions. I basically have lending institutions for every single kind of client. I'll put it that way. So, if, you know, I like to shop your rate around, and I can find the best lending institution that's the best for your financial needs, essentially.
So either the best rate or the best terms, correct? I mean, if they want to do it every 2 years and they don't want a high penalty every time they break that mortgage, right?
Absolutely.
Is that what you're talking
Absolutely.
about? Okay.
Yeah. So, I mean, I like to think of it as there's a lot of clients out there that have some challenges getting mortgage financing with a banking institution because they look for specific people. Yeah. I have lenders that will help people in tight situations as well too.
So historically, the rates right now, I mean, how does that measure up? Would you say they're good? Would you say they're bad? Would you say they're par? What's happening with the rates right now, and what's trending?
Well, the rates right now are really low. I haven't seen this low before. I don't have a crystal ball, but I can tell you right now, I did get some notifications today that we did see some more rate drops. So that's some good news. I would say they're going to stay at least flat, probably for the rest of the year, maybe another drop. So it's a really good time to see if you can get into the market.
Are you, since COVID, Jeff, are you seeing any difficulties with your lending? I know that, you know, with us, we've had a few deals lost just because of people having suspensions from their jobs or lost their jobs entirely. So I was just curious if you had any experience with that.
Absolutely. So, I mean, COVID's been tough on everyone, Tyler. I mean, myself included, and I'm sure yourself included as well too. But all what I can assure you is, you know, we've got, like I said before, we've got 50 different lending institutions. And if you don't fit with one lending institution, we could always look to a different one. Some of the alternative lenders do cost a little bit more money, but they do help you secure financing to purchase your home.
So if I'm having trouble getting financing, Am I going to go to the guy with 50 different lenders?
You're going to have more options if you do, my friend.
Okay, cool. Okay. Well, listen, Jeff, we appreciate it. I know my clients appreciate it, and everybody viewing appreciates all the information. If they want to contact you, how are they going to do that?
So you can contact me obviously by calling me. So 519-830-9991. You can reach me via email at jeff@diamondmortgages.ca. Or you can follow me on Facebook at MyBrokerJeff with up-to-date mortgage news.
Okay, great. All right. And I'm also going to put it in the feed down here for everybody. If you guys have any comments, drop a line down here. You can direct it at myself or Jeff. And whoever you direct it to will both be responding that way. So if you did have any questions, we could love to help you out that way. Okay. So hope you guys enjoyed this Mortgage Minute. Jeff, thank you very much. And we'll see you soon. Okay.
Take care. Have a good weekend.
Okay. Bye, bud.